Hello everyone, Captain Joe here with another adventure on on Minecraft. And today we've got a phantom right there. Look at that. It's just flying in midair. So we're playing another adventure map. This map's called Toby the Wolf. Yeah. So sounds random, but honestly it actually looks pretty good. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so phantom team, okay. Uh, I love the black streams that come off his wings. See that? It's like the black smoke that comes off it. I love that. Okay, what's this? Welcome to Toby. Welcome to Toby. Toby the Wolf or something. Okay. This means there's a secret entrance. This means it's a side quest. Okay. This means it's a challenge. Okay, so let's remember these. Wither for secret entrance, creeper for side quest, skeleton head for a challenge. Okay. I guess this means go. What's it? Start. Yeah, okay, I got that. Yep. Oh, this means Easter egg. Ooh, okay. Oh, background. Okay, let's read it. Background. In a mysterious canyon, bad god kills Toby, but he is alive and turned evil, but you didn't notice, and help him to build something. Is he trustful? Enjoy. Okay. Cool. So, there's no such thing as a bad god, there's only one god, and that's Jesus. If you guys didn't know that. I hope you guys did though. If you did, leave a like. Yeah, so. Boom, let's go. Oh, what's this? Hello, I'm Toby the Wolf. Can you break this block for me? Okay, Toby the Wolf. You're evil by some random guy. I don't want to help you, but we're gonna. Let's break the block. We've got a pickaxe, an iron one, not any kind of pickaxe, an iron one. Let's do it. Yay! Good job. Hey, can you clean the next room? It's full with mobs. Place the key in the first slot. Here you have the key. Key, and oh, here we go. We're gonna absolutely destroy some mobs. Okay, this wasn't there before. Wait, what? Wait, what? What am I supposed to do? Shulker box, there's something behind there. I can't... Oh, place the key in the... Wow. I'm so dumb. Okay, I do apologize for my... Yeah, okay. This room's full of mobs. Is that a throne? Oh, shoot. Go to the next room, we have work to do. Okay, that room, but look at this throne. This throne actually looks absolutely great. Let's check it out. I am King Captain Jer. Bow. Does that even work? King, Captain? No. I reckon just Captain. Yeah. Ta-da! Alright, let's go. Okay. Hey Toby, you coming? You coming, boy? Nah, okay. Oh yeah, we gotta look out for little heads. You know, skeleton heads and everything. Gotta look out for those. Alrighty. Next room. I need you to get some glass bottles. Coal and sand are in the next room. I need you to get some glass bottles. Okay. Oh, there you are, hello. How you doing? What's this? Dispenser. I mean, okay. Let's go. We'll get some sand. And, oh, this is a cool little room, actually. Okay, some coal right there. I mean, okay. Wait, it's coal right there. Come on. Why can't I? Oh. What does that mean? I forgot. It means... what does it mean? Skeleton means challenge. Why can't I mine anything? Creeper means side quest. Or did that mean side quest? Or, I don't know. Abandoned mine. Okay. I'm taking it. Is there anything? Can I... Let's see what's going on here. Oh yeah, adventure mode, whatever. Sure there's nothing else I can do. Okay, no. Looks clear. Oh, hold on, what's in here? What's in here? Spiderweb is so bad. Come on, get through, please. Okay, it was worth looking though. I could have jumped over here. Okay, whatever. What's this? Springfall water. Whoa. Whoa, what's this? Easter egg. Oh. Great job, Captain Jerry. You found an Easter egg. Yeah, whatever. Mysterious canyon. Is this it, really? Okay. Where do I get sand? Seriously. Okay. If you guys have no idea where I went, you can swim underneath the waterfall. And that's what I did, so... What's this? Dolphin's home. Whoa. Oh, secret entrance! I just remember what the skeleton head was. Yes, okay. Picture of Dolphin's brother. Okay. Alright, I'm sure Dolphin's brother does not want to be stuck in that picture, so I can't even get him out. Okay. What's this? Sneak to Dolphin. Oh, hello, traveller. I see you're helping Toby. Don't trust him. And another thing, before you leave, help me find my brother, please. Dolphin's brother, help. Complete the quest and I'll give you some golden apples and something else. Okay, I hope you all got that. I said that. Challenge. Okay. We found Dolphin's brother though. It was a thingy. Maybe it's showing what it looks like. Yeah. You guys know what this is. It's a maze. And I certainly do not like them. If you guys like them, good for you, but not a big fan of them. Let's just get it over with. Oh! I found it! Wait, what? Oh yes, his picture of Dolphin's brother. How did I not see that? I'm blind, obviously. There's some coal there, and... he said he'd give me some golden apples. I found him. What is wrong with you? Wow. Tricked. Okay, well, that's really annoying. Let's just go. Oh, by the way, how do I get the sand? No, seriously, how? Well, what's this? Be careful with spiders, they bite. Here, you have... Here, you have... Oh, he forgot this, did he? Oh. Can you give me some sand? Because I literally can't do anything without it. Okay. Well, there we go. How do I get the sand? Ooh, sand? Oh, I mean, that's not too bad. We got some food. Where's the sand? I just realised I've got 2 iron pickaxes, and this one can mine it. My goodness. Could they not have actually named the iron pickaxe? I don't know, sand digger? What's this? Oh, sweet, sand. Is that all I need? I think it is actually. Let's go make some bottles. Yay! Yeah, it's done. Finally! Yes! Grab the items, place them in the blocks. You almost finished. Who's Doggo Dap Vampire? Yeah, but remember, don't drop the blocks. What? I could barely read that. What's that? Fuel? What's fuel? Wait. Oh, I thought it was actually a type of block. But no, okay, I panicked for a bit. I thought, have I not been studying my Minecraft stuff? Okay, this goes on kaboom. This. There. There. Oh, did it? Thank you. With this weapon, I'll make all people turn into wolves. Thank you, fool, he says. Okay. The end. You kidding me? Remember to contact blah, 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 blah. Wow. Are you serious? That's it? We just got betrayed by a dog we fully knew was going to betray us. Helped him anyway. And yeah, I've now ruined the entire world. I kind of meant to, but I didn't want to at the same time. I've now ruined the entire world. They've now turned into him. They've turned into Wolf. Yeah. The only thing you can ever say to that is, wow. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. That'd be absolutely great. And, yeah. So, if you guys have actually done this map or not, or if you want to, and you actually find out what was with that dolphin's brother thing, because I was totally confused. Yeah, please let me know in the comments. And I got totally ripped off on that deal of the golden apples and something else. Oh my goodness. He probably meant, I'll give you some golden apples and a note which says, I'm not going to give you any golden apples. He's probably going to say that, yeah. But yeah, guys. Yeah, please hit the bell to know we're going to go on another adventure with Captain Jer. That's me. Anyway, guys, you're all awesome, and goodbye. See you later.